Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will learn a letter from the English alphabet. This will get us ready to read in English. Every letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn today's letter. Today's letter is the letter K. K says k, k, k. Kangaroo. K says k, k, k. Kangaroo. What letter is it? It is letter K. What does K say? K says k. We use a salt tray to help us learn the letters. You will need salt and a plate or tray. Pause the video if you need. Practice writing our letters a few times. K. K says k, k, k. Kangaroo. K says k, k, k. Kangaroo. B. B says b, 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 bat. C. C says k, 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 cat. D. D says d, 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 dog. F. F says fish. G. G says g, 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 goat. H. H says hippo. J. J says j, 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 jellyfish. And today's letter, K. K says k, 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 kangaroo. What letter is it? It is letter K. What does K say? K says k, k, k. Kangaroo. What letter is it? What does K say? Post a video message. Send a PM or audio message. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.